Trading Bitcoin options involves the following steps. Choose a platform. Select a cryptocurrency exchange or trading platform that offers Bitcoin options trading. Look for reputable platforms with a user-friendly interface and robust security measures. Account setup. Sign up for an account on the chosen platform and complete any necessary verification procedures, including KYC requirements. Fund your account. Deposit funds into your trading account. Ensure you have enough capital to cover your trading activities and potential losses. Navigate to Options Trading section. Once your account is funded, navigate to the Options Trading section of the platform. Familiarize yourself with the available options contracts, expiration dates, strike prices, and premium costs. Place orders. Decide on your trading strategy, whether it's buying call options or put options, and choose the appropriate contract. Enter the quantity, strike price, and expiration date for your options trade. Manage your positions. Monitor your options positions closely and consider implementing risk management strategies such as stop-loss orders or profit-taking targets. Stay informed. Stay updated on market trends, news, and events that may impact Bitcoin's price and options market sentiment. Continuous learning. Continue learning about options trading strategies, Greeks, and market analysis techniques to improve your trading skills.